that opened on its own. I didn't open it.
Yeah, what are you doing then?
Pardon?
What are you doing?
Just having a look at
to film on here.
I've been looking at the depot.
You haven't got to film. You haven't got permission to film on here, have you?
Why not?
What do you mean? Why not?
Well, why not?
Because you haven't got permission to film on the depot.
I am. Don't see many of these about nowadays.
Do you find it exciting?
Pardon?
Do you think it's exciting?
What's exciting?
A train coming past.
I wouldn't say exciting, but I'd say interesting. I was more filming about the level crossing itself.
Okay. I always wonder why people find it so interesting. Is it the crossing?
It's the crossing itself, because you don't see many of them about. There's only one even, one in Burnley. No.
You see the barriers, don't you?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Right. Let's see that. Yeah. This is going to be manually opened and shut as the train comes past both directions. So as you can see, they're going to come out of the little signalling box up there, or whatever you want to call it. So yeah, just another little one here at the level crossing. Right guys, auditing Lancashire, back on another one. So today we've rolled up at this looks like a train depot site here in Blackburn, Lancashire. Yeah, it looks like a train depot site, as you can see. It's got all the trains situated just there. It's where they must all get cleaned and stuff like that. Got big canisters and stuff like that. There it is. Absolutely massive, this place. Especially that building there. Pardon?
What are you doing?
Well, that opened on its own. I didn't open it.
Yeah, what are you doing then?
Pardon?
What are you doing?
Just having a look at
to film on here.
I've been looking at the depot.
You haven't got to film. You haven't got permission to film on here, have you?
Why not?
What do you mean? Why not?
Well, why not?
Because you haven't got permission to film on the depot.
Yeah, we kick your gate open, either.
I didn't kick your gate open.
Just watch your camera, stop it with your feet.
I didn't kick the gate open.
You do.
I went over there, had a look inside this little section here, and the gate opened itself.
Yeah, and then when it closed, you kicked it so it went back up, shut.
I didn't kick it. I might have accidentally stood in the way of the sensor, but I didn't kick your gate though.
Well, what do you want to film this depot for?
I'm just interested in the site, that's all, pal.
Why?
Pardon?
How come?
I just like film. Oh, well, I've never been to this place before.
Alright.
No.
Do you like trains or something?
Pardon?
You like trains?
Not just trains, all kinds of mysterious things, you know. I'm just having a look around, that's all, pal. No major issues or anything like that.
Alright, well don't kick gate again, yeah?
No, I never actually kicked your gate.
So
Like I said, I accidentally stood in the way of the sensor.
Anything, I watched you do it on camera. You put your foot like that and stopped it closing.
That's not kicking your gate, come on.
What is it then?
I didn't kick your gate, it's a sensor. I didn't mean to step in the way of the gate anyway, it just opened by itself. Like, it shouldn't have opened, that's a security risk, that isn't it?
Why would you step into the front of the sensor then?
But isn't that a security risk opening by itself anyway?
You're not on a scooter.
No, I said isn't it a security risk?
Of course there's a security risk.
That's what I'm saying, so why did it open by itself? Why did it open by itself though in the first place?
You know, I opened it because someone was coming out.
Alright.
When we didn't see you there, then I thought, hang on a minute, who's this fellow with filming the depot?
Right.
When we watched you, the gate closed and you shut it with your foot. So we come out to see what you're doing.
Yeah, no, that's totally fine. I'm just having a look around.
No, it's totally fine.
Yeah.
Just make sure you stay there. You can film the gate and the fuel tanks as much as you want them.
Yeah.
Right.
Yeah, that's not a problem.
Right.
See you in a bit. So yeah, we just had two guys walking out there then. A bit puzzled to why I'm actually filming the depot and stuff, but you know, It's Auditing Lancashire. We film and audit anything that we want that we can see with our own eyes. So where they go, the Scouts fella there in the blue and the Lancashire dude in the orange jacket. Sorry, orange jacket, orange pants should I say. They're coming into the kind of door there. See there? Yeah, so it's on little sensors. Not the sensor on the gate, it's all little like walkie-talkie on that side, and it's got another one situated right there. But yeah, it was just a little one, this one, guys, at the depot over here in Blackburn, Lancashire. I said this actually used to be an old coal place, believe it or not. Used to have the big massive machinery going up and stuff. The railway track used to go out, used to be 1 or 2 lines, I'm not too sure, but when we was little we used to climb up on the bridge at the other side of here and jump onto this old coal yard. That's the one, coal yard. But yeah, it looks like we're being left to it now. As cameras are pointing at me. So yeah guys, it's a little bit rainy. We're going to leave it at this. Auditing Lancashire over and out until next time. But before we go, a little scan at these signs. I say there's no signs here saying nothing about no photography. There's a sign there. It says welcome to Blackburn TMD. And it's the Northern. As you can see, Northern trains. And then it goes warning. Do not trespass on the railway, penalty of £1,000, and then just another welcome sign there, guys. But yeah, we're being left to it, so before we call it on this one, just have a little zoom on there, some kind of like notice board for the trains, on what trains are parked where or what trains need cleaning. But yeah, it's a little cleaning station now for the trains, or a little parking station, whichever one you'd like to call it, or whichever one it is. But yeah guys, been a little on this one. Auditing Lancashire over and out until next time, people. See you on the next one.